In this video, I will be showing you how to use activity notes. Activity notes can be used to add additional information and records to each of our 5 core sections in ServiceBridge: customers, estimates, work orders, invoices, and projects. Our simplified layout allows you to access your activity notes with a few clicks of a mouse. Currently, we are looking at the home screen. In order to access any of the aforementioned activity notes sections, you will need to move your cursor to one of them. Before going any further, I'd like to note that, like many other ServiceBridge features, separate custom permission settings are granted by your ServiceBridge administrator. The administrator has the ability to decide which users can view, enter, modify, or delete a note. I will now show you how to use this feature. First, I'll select Customers. After doing so, I'm going to choose the customer for which I'd like to add an activity note. After selecting the customer, I'm going to move my cursor to the upper right corner and collapse the submenu tabs. This will give us a better picture of each action we can perform from this page. Now, I'll click Activity Notes to check and see if any other notes have previously been entered. In this case, we have a couple that have been entered for the customer. To add a note, I'm going to click the Universal Add button. For example, let's say we're trying to be really organized and we remember that Jim called in to tell us how much he loved our business, and he did that on September 4th. And then we remember that Jim called in again on September 12th to tell us that he still really loves our business. Enter both those notes. After entering them, we have the ability to sort them by date and also by author. In this case, we would only sort by date because I'm the only author. After looking at the notes, you realize that, you know what? Jim doesn't even work for this company, and these notes should be entered under a different customer. Now, with a few clicks of the button, I can erase these notes because I have the permission to do so. With activity notes, you now have an easily accessible, accurate, searchable record of your general interactions with your customers. These same use cases can be applied for specific estimates, work orders, invoices, and projects. As always, thanks for watching.